Guess who's back? Back again. Ooh, feel that, feel that, feel that, feel that, yeah. Alright, people, I need to stop it. Welcome again. It's J Vlogs. Ready, people? Alright, so let's get ready. Thanks for being here and jumping into the vlog. No. Welcome back, everybody. Thanks for being here. I appreciate that you're actually watching this vlog. Big up on yourself, people. Alright, gingerbread jelly bean, you know yourself already. So today it's raining outside. Normally we're not going away, but yeah, it's Monday and it's an holiday here in the States. It's Labor Day holiday, so you know a lot of carnival keeping. I just watched somebody else's vlog a while ago, and they had carnival in England, big carnival like parade in Jamaica and Trinidad and those places. But yeah, it's a holiday, so I'm making a vlog. I have nowhere to go. My auntie's at work. And because of the way my friends list set up, yeah, but they don't know the way my friends list set up. They don't know the rest. So yeah. So this is a topic that I'm supposed to talk about from a while back, but no, I've got the opportunity to talk about it. And it's basically friendship. What, you know, when you know that you have a good friend from when you have a bad friend, some things that you need to know, you know, about friends, you know, having friends and, you know, friends in general. So let me jump into it though. First thing I'll say, a friend in need is a friend indeed, right? Literally, if you look into that, a friend in need, right, is a friend indeed. Think about that statement. All right, you have a friend yet, and the person no beg you, like none at all. They don't ask you for anything. Look into that. Like, you're the friend that, like, for you, you're always, you know, going to them, you know, asking them for resources, whether it be money, whether it be food, whether it be anything at all. They don't want friends stay. You ask your friend for stuff, whether it be helping you with shopping, whether it be helping you with carrying stuff, going, you know, cleaning, you know, anything at all, you know. But you always asking that friend to help you do things, but you realize that the friend never had to ask you to do anything. Like, for me, I feel a bit insecure where that is concerned, because the same statement to say a friend in need is a friend in need. So basically, me have a friend and that friend don't see me have any value to basically ask me for anything. Not because I'm a circumstance, but that friend don't feel like, you know, they need to ask me. They feel too independent as a friend to not ask me for help, or not, you know, they prefer to ask somebody else while we're friends, you know. And so there's this unbalanced, it's not balanced, you know, the friendship is not balanced. So I look at that factor where a friend in need is a friend indeed. So pay attention to that. Let me get into the good friend, bad friend. This is supposed to be one of the easiest way to pick up. You ever have a friend yet where everything that you're doing, you brush it aside, like literally, you come to them with an idea and they say, oh yeah, you can try that, man, but they never yet like listen to you, like really listen to you, or listen to your ideas, you know, or listen to your plans. You know, they're all saying, oh yeah, you can do that, man, oh yeah, you can try it, alright, you know, they never give you that backup that you really need from a friend, where you're going to your friend for something and you're asking them for their response or how they feel about a certain topic, and they just like, you know, they're on the surface. You know, look out for that. Be careful with those type of people, because when you have a friend, you want that friend to be there for you. You want that friend to basically give you certain advice, you know, give you more substance, you know, per se, rather than you're going to a total stranger. And that's what a total stranger would say to you, because a total stranger don't know you, you know, so they'll just get the surface. But a friend, a true friend, supposed to be able to back you up and give you advice on what you're going to do, right? There's friends out there that always encourage you to do negative things. Like literally, if you have a friend out there, they encourage you to smoke, right? That's a bad friend. A friend that encourages you to drink for no reason at all, Like, every minute constantly they want to drink, they want to do this, they want to do that. That's not a good friend. Literally. Why would you waste your time drinking away your life, right? While you can be doing something positive, right? So look into that as well. You have other friends who basically just borrow your money and not give you back. They always have that borrow friend. That friend, lend me that money until me get paid. You lend them and them don't give you back. Them feel like I feel their money, feel like they're obligated to take your money. Literally, I have those type of friends. Look out for them, the borrow friend. Lend me this, and you see them back again. See back your things where you lend them are, So look out for those type of people. You have a type of friend them where you and somebody in an argument and they literally leave you to argue with that person or encourage you to argue with that person when in the long run it's going to be bad for you because that person could harm you or do something dangerous or your life is in jeopardy. So be careful of those type of people who try to boost you up then, as we call it in Jamaica, try to boost you up to fight somebody, You need the type of friend now, you can say, hey, just make a cut, Just leave it alone. You don't need to fight that person. You don't need to argue with them. You need that type of friend who will draw you out of an argument and pull you away and literally carry you home. You need that type of friend. You need the type of friend, you come in and fear me, you understand? I'm not saying that if the fight already started and it can't stop, them not go back you up, but you have to look out for the friend who boots you up in a fight. But on the flip side now, you have some friend where you're in a fight and they literally have your back. Them not even would catch a thump for you. They not even see a thumper come towards you and I'll put them face in it, I'll put them back in it and, to defend you. Them little way they all don't I would advise anyone to literally put them face in the direction of a thump or incoming thump or a punch. Sorry, give me a minute. I just picture in my head, sorry people. It's just funny. So look out for that type of friend. You need a friend who will have your back. If they can't prevent the argument, they need to have your back at all times. Alright? The next type of friends they need to look for is a friend that don't value education then, because education is very important. You need a friend that can value education and help you towards. You need a friend that will help you study, that will help you to do homework, that will help you. Even if they can't help you, even the thought of helping you is very good. Just the thought of helping you, that will show you that friend, And you have some friend like me where I'll get a phone call and my friend say, can I come help you with something? And I'll get up out of my bed 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock, and I'll go and help that friend. That's a true friend. Right? So look out for that. So stay away from the negative friends, stay away from the bad influence, the influencer. I'm eating words out. So stay away from those type of friends. Try to stay on the positive side where uplifting people. You're talking to people that are uplifting. You're talking to people that are going somewhere in life. You don't want to have somebody that you're progressing and they're just backwards. They're going backward while you're progressing. It makes no sense. They're not compatible. So try to drop certain company and people. Sometimes it's good to be independent, self-sufficient. Sometimes you don't need certain type of friend. Sometimes you just need to settle yourself and relax and just be you until you can find a type of friend that is good for you, that will help you in life. Right? Literally, you don't need to associate yourself with negative people. You don't need that. So surround yourself with positive people. The next thing I want to bring across is that certain people or certain friends only remember you when they want something, like literally. All the time they remember you, all the time your phone ring is when they want you to do something for them. I hate that. I hate when people just want to use me, that person just want to use you just because you're resourceful in certain areas. That's the only time. They don't call you to check on you. They don't call you to ask you if you're hungry. I love food, so I'm always talking about food, but yeah. They don't run in and drop in and check up on you. It's only when it's beneficial to them, that's when they know you. So stay away from those type of people. So I'm going to end this now, but I hope you understand by the little example, that the small examples that I give you, I hope you can look into your life and look into your pool of friends and see where you're going wrong. See who is really trying to draw you back or who's trying to push you forward, and keep those persons that are pushing you forward. Now say if you go and cuss the people, them know and tell the people and say, oh, you know, good friend and start. No, me never see them for that, like literally. But be careful of those type of friends. Pick your friends, choose your friends wisely, people. So thanks again for watching the vlogs. J Vlogs represent Gingerbread Jelly Bean. The man name of the gingerbread, the man name of the jelly bean. Big up on yourself. Thanks very much. Keep subscribing. My subscribers list is going up, so thanks very much. I really appreciate it, people. J Vlogs, I'm out. Why people lie?